welcome back to my channel, Simple Software Tips, where I do all the tips for your software. That's kind of an awkward intro, but today we're going to be showing you how to add timestamps to your YouTube videos. So this is on my main channel. We have a user training for Salesforce. My main channel is Salesforce Emily. But this video is 40 minutes long, and I want to add some timestamps to it to help the people who are watching this video skip around to the parts that they need, or maybe if they want to come back to the video, they can easily find what they need to find. So I've already extracted the timestamps, and I put them into a Google Doc just to make things easy for us. But as you can see, it just says timestamps, and then I put the title of the timestamp, and then at what time you'll find that at, and this is pretty much all we need. So hopefully this will be helpful for our users. But yeah, you just put let's say it's like a clock, I guess, where you just put like the minutes and then a dot with the seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy this, and then when we're going on this here, we're gonna put this in the description box. So I'm going to put this at the very end so that it's not like filling up here, and it'll show in the video. So I'm going to hit save here. All right, the changes have been saved. Let's go ahead. It might take a little bit. And let's go ahead and look. We can go down here and it'll show us the timestamps and it'll jump for us. And now it will take a little bit, but eventually we'll have those little blocks in our YouTube video here, so then they can see what the title is for each section. But yeah, that does take a couple minutes to set, but for now the users can go ahead and just jump around using these timestamps at the end of the description box. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like. It really helps out my channel. And comment down below if you have any questions. Thanks so much for joining me, and have a great day.